Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the recovery now. Enter your Gmail address and proceed to the verification options. If you see a familiar device or location, choose it. Google trusts prior activity. Make sure your recovery phone or email is ready to receive codes and check your spam folder for messages. If you have backup codes, grab them. They bypass SMS. Pause to confirm you're on the official account recovery flow before entering any codes, because accuracy speeds verification and reduces extra checks. Once you request a code, check the recovery method immediately and enter the digits exactly as received. Small errors stop the process. If prompted for recent activity, describe sign-in times, device types, or email subjects. These details prove ownership. If you set up a two-step app or printed backup codes, choose that option and enter one code. Make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid switching devices mid-process, because consistency helps Google match your answers to account history. You can now set a new password. Pick a long, unique phrase and save it in your password manager. Once changed, sign out of sessions you don't recognize and update the password on phones, tablets, and email apps. If recovery fails, try again after 24 to 72 hours from the same device and location, because rate limits and suspicion flags clear with time. If problems persist, use the account recovery form repeatedly with the most precise details. You can remember to increase success odds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.